In these 10 stories, we saw how screens, though small in size, can create vast distances between hearts. Technology is not the enemy, but when screens replace connection, children may feel unseen, unheard, or unsafe. What looks like entertainment or distraction for adults can quietly leave a child with loneliness, anxiety, or low self-worth.
Children grow through presence, through knowing that someone truly sees them. When parents listen, validate emotions, and set healthy boundaries with screens, children learn balance. It's not about removing technology. It's about remembering what matters most: human connection.
Even small choices, turning off a device, choosing to listen, can rebuild bridges between generations. Connection is the real screen our children need. Children may be small, but their feelings are big. Reflection helps us see the deeper meaning behind these stories. Watch again, share, and let's protect children together. Question: which of these last 10 stories about screens and family life touched you the most, and why? We are here to listen without judgment.